Today we are covering the extremely popular English phrasal verb blow up. In the end of this video, I'll be presenting examples of actual use of this phrasal verb in both news reporting and in the known literature. So make sure to stay until the end. Phrasal verbs are a unique feature of the English language that can often be confusing for non-native speakers. A phrasal verb is a combination of a base verb and one or more particles, which together create a new meaning that is different from the base verb alone. The phrasal verb blow up is a good example of this. The base verb blow is a verb that means to move air out of the lungs, or to cause something to move or be moved by the wind. The particle up changes the meaning of the verb to create a new meaning. In this case, blow up means to explode or to inflate. The most common use of blow up is to describe an explosion. For example, the building was blown up in the bombing, or the fireworks blew up and caused injury. Another use of blow up is to describe inflating something, such as, I need to blow up the balloons for the party, or, he blew up the air mattress before going camping. Blow up can also be used as a phrasal verb of anger, as in, he blew up at me when I told him the bad news. It can also be used in a more casual way to mean to destroy or ruin something, as in, he blew up his chances of getting the job by being late to the interview. The origins of blow up can be traced back to the Old English word bloren, which means to blow. The particle up was added in the 14th century, and the meaning of the verb evolved to include the idea of something exploding. Let's take a brief look at some common uses. What caused the bomb to blow up? Did you blow up the balloons yet? Why did he blow up at you? Can you help me blow up this air mattress? Did the fireworks blow up at the show? How did the bridge blow up? Will you blow up the pictures before we put them in the frame? Did they blow up the old building to make way for the new one? How long will it take to blow up this pool float? Why did the experiment blow up in the scientist's face? As you can see, the phrasal verb is quite versatile and truly omnipresent. As mentioned in the introduction of this video, I'm now going to show you actual examples from different media. Let's have a look. A gas pipeline blew up in a remote area, causing a massive fire. News article from CNN. The car blew up in a huge ball of flame, leaving debris scattered for miles. News article from NBC. The balloon blew up in the shape of a heart, delighting the children at the fair. News article from ABC. The argument blew up between the two politicians, resulting in a heated exchange on live television. News article from Fox News. The tension between the two countries blew up into a full-scale war. News article from BBC. When the oven blew up, it caused a fire that gutted the kitchen. News article from CBS. The plan blew up in their faces when they realized they forgot to take the weather into account. News article from the New York Times. The pressure cooker blew up, covering the kitchen with food and causing burns to the cook. News article from The Guardian. The stock market blew up, causing many investors to lose everything. News article from The Wall Street Journal. The character's anger blew up, causing him to lash out at everyone around him. From the novel, The Great Gatsby, by F. Scott Fitzgerald. In conclusion, the phrasal verb, blow up, has multiple meanings and can be used in different contexts, such as describing an explosion, inflating something, showing anger, or destroying something. It's important to understand the context in which it is used to fully grasp the meaning of the phrase. Thank you so much for visiting us today. We value the time spent with us. If you feel this video provided some value, do consider helping us. Subscribe, tell us in the comment section below the video which phrasal verb you would like us to cover, give a like, then hit that notification button. This way we can continue helping students and teachers around the world. See you in the next one.